My name is Patricia Zurrer from Property Consulting Australia. The problem we had is we purchased a property for my mum and the electricity bills were getting more and more expensive each quarter. We knew about solar, but we wanted to invest with a quality local supplier. We chose to work with Paul. He was so passionate and knowledgeable about his product, and he was really reassuring through the whole process. Paul helped us understand the difference between the quality solar panels he provided compared to the inferior other providers. Paul solved all our problems. The whole process was seamless, and he organised everything from the initial quotes to the full installation, and it was amazing service throughout the whole process. My mum loves the look of the panels and has benefited so much in the energy savings already. I love the fact that we're doing our bit for the environment and knowing I have the quality needed for the long run. Paul was a huge help in getting us set up with solar and was very knowledgeable and confident in his recommendations. With the quality installation, great savings and peace of mind, it's a great investment for any home.